front of me is Black Shark Pad SE, and today I would like to show you how you can delete Google search bar from home screen. Begin by holding your search bar and waiting for Remove section to show. When it does, drag your search bar on top of it and let go. As you can see, after a few seconds, mine was successfully deleted. If you wanna restore it though, just hold your display, hit Widgets, scroll, select Google app, scroll again, hold search bar widget and drag it to the place you wanna. Then let go. To resize your search bar, hold one of its sides and pull in the direction you wanna scale it. Then tap on your screen. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!